Hi student, today in this video I am going to discuss few numerical based on lens formula and magnification. So for solving any numerical based on lens formula and magnification, first we have to understood the magnification and the sign convention. Sign convention is very important in solving any numerical. In the last video I have explained the rules of sign convention. For convex lens, what should be positive or what should be negative. For concave lens, which should be positive or negative. Okay, so this is very important to understand for solving any numerical. So before solving the numerical, first go through that video and try to understand. So today our first questions will be example 10.3 in your NCERT book. So in this questions, a concave lens is given whose focal length is 15 centimeter. Since it is concave lens, focal length will be negative. Image distance is given which is minus 10 centimeter. Object distance we need to calculate and magnification we need to calculate. So for concave lens, focal length, image distance, object distance all are negative. So next apply lens formula to calculate object distance. So from lens formula, our lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. So in mirror formula it is plus and in lens formula it is minus. Then take 1 by V to the right hand side, then minus 1 by U will be equals to 1 by F minus 1 by V. So if we multiply both left side and right side by negative sign, then minus 1 by U it will be plus 1 by U. If we multiply it by negative sign, then this is positive 1 by V, it will be minus 1 by F, and this minus plus 1 by F. Okay, then put the value. In place of F we will put minus 15 and in place of V we will put minus 10. Then 1 by U is equals to this negative, it will be positive, that means 1 by 15 plus minus 1 by 10. Then LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. Then it will be 2 minus 3, that means minus 1 by 30. Then if we take reciprocal, then U will be equals to minus 30 centimeter. That means the object distance is minus 30 centimeter. Then we need to calculate magnification. Formula for magnification is V by U. For mirror it was minus V by U, but for lens it is plus V by U. Then put the value. V is equals to minus 10 centimeter and U is equals to minus 30 centimeter. Minus cancel, then it will be 1 by 3. So this is the magnification. Now from this value of magnification, we can also know the nature of the image. So first the magnification is positive. So if the value of magnification is positive, then image will be partial and erect. And its magnitude 1 by 3, which is less than 1. So if the magnitude of the magnification is less than 1, then the image will be diminished. So in this way, from the magnification we can know the nature of the image. So next we will solve the next example, which is 10.4 in your NCERT book. So in this question, a 2 centimeter tall object, that means the height of the object or size of the object is given, which is 2 centimeter. So for H1, this height of the object which is equals to 2 centimeter. Next is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Now it is convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. For convex lens, focal length is positive. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Object distance is given, which is 15 centimeter. Object distance is always negative for concave and convex lens. Then from here we need to find nature, position, size of the image. Also find its magnification. So we need to find the image distance and magnification. Okay, then we have to apply lens formula. From lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by F, it will be plus 1 by U. Then in place of F we can put 10 plus, in place of U it is minus 15. So 1 by 10 plus minus 1 by 15. Now if we take LCM, it will be 30, then 3 minus 2. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by 30. So V equals to 30 centimeter. So this is our image distance. That means the image will form at a distance of 30 centimeter behind the lens. Behind the lens because it is positive. Then magnification M is equals to V by U, which is equals to 30 by 10. This is object distance is negative, so minus 3. Okay. So magnification is in place of V it is 30, in place of U it is minus 15, so minus 2. So this is the value of magnification. Now from minus 2, from this value we can know the nature of the image. So since the magnification is negative, the image will be real and inverted. From negative side, this negative sign tells us these two things. The image will be real and inverted. And now the magnitude of the magnification. Magnitude is how much? 2. For magnitude, we will not consider the sign, only the magnitude, which is 2. And 2 is greater than 1. That means magnification, magnitude of magnification is greater than 1. So image will be enlarged. Okay. So next we will solve the question number 10 in exercise. So in these questions, an object 5 centimeter in length, that means this is the size of the object, is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. That means object distance is given and focal length is 10 centimeter. That means size of the object is 5 centimeter. Object distance is minus 25 centimeter and focal length is 10 centimeter. Here converging lens means convex lens. So that is why I am considering focal length as positive. Now we need to find the position, size, nature of the image. So from here also apply lens formula 1 by v equals to minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. F is 10 centimeter plus minus 25. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. The LCM will be 50. So 5 minus 2. Then 1 by v is equals to 3 by 50. That means v equals to 50 by 3 centimeter. So this will be our image distance. Now magnification. V by u. In place of v it is 50 by 3 and in place of u it is minus 25. So 53 into minus 25, 2, that means minus 2 by 3. So negative, so image will be real and inverted, and since magnitude is less than 1, 2 by 3 is less than 1, so image will be diminished. Image will be diminished. So these are the nature of images. Now we need to calculate the size of the image. So we know magnification is equals to size of the image by size of the object. Yes? Then m is minus 2 by 3. The h2 is the size of the image, h1 size of the object 5. Then if we cross multiply, 3 h2 will be equals to minus 2 into 5. So h2 equals to minus 10 by 3 centimeter. So this will be our size of the image.